story of the Undavali caves began over 1500 years ago during the glorious era of the Gupta dynasty. On the upper floors, you will find the carvings of Jain Tirthankaras, while deep inside a stunning 5-meter long reclining statue of Lord Vishnu. Welcome back to Lara's Ancient Tales, where history echoes through stone and forgotten stories rise again. Today, we travel to the heart of Andhra Pradesh, to a mysterious monument carved into the very womb of a hill, the Undavali Caves. The story of the Undavali Caves began over 1500 years ago, during the glorious era of the Gupta dynasty. It was a time when art and spirituality walked hand in hand and stone became the scripture. Carved into sandstone hills near the Krishna River, these caves were originally crafted as Buddhist monasteries, quiet retreats for monks seeking silence, meditation, and salvation. But like the river it overlooks, the Undavali's identity evolved. As centuries passed, these caves transformed from a Buddhist refuge to a sacred canvas for Hindu and Jain architecture. On the upper floors, you will find the carvings of Jain Tirthankaras, while deep inside, a stunning 5-meter long reclining statue of Lord Vishnu lies gracefully carved from a single granite block. Undavali is not just a monument, it is a symbol of religious harmony where Buddhism, Jainism, and Hinduism coexist in stone, untouched by time, unbroken by the conflict. The cave complex is flourished under the Vishnukunda dynasty in the 7th century and was later nurtured by the Chalukyas and the Kakatiya rulers. They did not build the Undavali, they preserved it, decorated it, and ensured that its spiritual legacy remained alive. Even today, the layouts of the caves with pillared halls, sanctums, and sculptured stories stands as proof of their artistic genius and spiritual depth. Undavali is more than a history, it is a living legend. A monument where silence speaks louder than words. Hidden just outside the Vijayanagara Undavali caves may seem quiet, but within these stone chambers lies the whispers of sages, the dreams of kings, and the echoes of civilization that still watches over the Krishna. If you are planning to visit the Undavali caves, then here is everything you need to know. It will open from morning 9 am to 6 pm all of the week. And the entry fee for it is, for Indian citizen it is 25 rupees and for foreigners it is 300 rupees. And the best time to visit the Undavali caves is from October to March, when the weather is pleasant and the skies are clear. If you are going to travel by train, then from Vijayawada railway station it is just 20 minutes by auto or cab. And if you are going to travel by air, then the Vijayanagara International Airport, which is about 30 kilometers away from here. And the nearby attractive places are Bhavani Island, Kanakadurga Temple, Prakasham Barrage. In a world racing towards the future, caves like Undavali remind us of a timeless past, a place where art, religion, and the nature meet, silently watching centuries pass by. This is the history of Undavali caves, If you love this journey into the past, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Lara's Ancient Tales. Until next time, keep exploring and keep wondering.